Hi friends, today I will be showing you how I achieve this high puff. Welcome to my channel, Adia Sherelle. So I'm letting you all in on a little secret on how to get your hair smooth into a ponytail. You do it piece by piece. So for a high ponytail, we're going to start with the center section. Here you see me applying gel and ebon edge control. So you're putting on this product so it's able to smooth into the ponytail. I'm using my Denman brush to evenly distribute the product, smoothing it down. Go on ahead and put in your first ponytail holder. And here I'm taking my time, making sure I'm not snagging the ends of my hair. It is very important that you are gentle and patient. Ponytail holders, safe versus not safe. Avoid ponytail holders with metal pieces at all costs. They will cause damage and breakage to your strands. Get seamless or Ouchless type holders. You'll thank me later. Now that that's complete, oh, got a little bit of gel on my clothes there. You want to go ahead and apply gel around the perimeter of your hair. I am pretty liberal with the gel. Oh gosh, I'm flying this gel all over the place. Yes, I'm pretty liberal with the gel. It's a lot of hair that I'm trying to put up and I want it to lay down as much as possible. So just go ahead and smooth that all around. I also again go in with the edge tamer. So you may be thinking that this is a lot of product, and it is. You're right. You're absolutely right. It is a lot of product, but I find that this is what works best for my hair as far as hold, as far as getting it as flat as possible. This combination works the best for me. With that being said, I have noticed sometimes, normally when I go to do my edges the next day, that there is, I'll get not white flakes, but some type of white residue. Well, that sounds even worse. I don't know. But just a little bit of white stuff. And then I realized if I just put a little oil on it, that works. But if you guys have any tips on how to avoid that white stuff, let me know. Here I am brushing down my hair, just trying to get it slick, trying to get it nice and smooth. And I do that all around the perimeter, getting all the product in there so it does its job. And I have a little tie that I wrap around my head. I tie at the top, and then as I make it tighter, I'm pushing that elastic band up. So I'm taking my time with it, making sure, again, nothing's getting caught, nothing's snagging. You see me trying to flip my hair back, just to avoid any breakage whatsoever. So again, I'm pushing it up, then I go in to tighten it. And you don't want to do it too tight. You'll notice if you do it super tight, you will get a headache later on in the day. It's too much tension on your edges. It's not good whatsoever. So I never do tight ponytails. So go ahead and just tie it in the back, tuck it away, and whoa, we just jumped 2 edges. Okay. So I'm just putting a little bit more of the ebon on there. You know, doing a little swoop with my edges. And use whatever tool is easiest when you're trying to lay your edges. Some people, you know, started with the good old toothbrush. Now they got these little tools that you can use, a little bougie toothbrush, to lay down your edges. And wrapping my hair with a scarf while it is drying is a must. After that, while we're waiting for it to dry, I spray down my hair with a little bit of water. Then I'm going to follow up with moisturizing my hair with the cream and shea butter. Then taking each piece, I add gel and then comb it through with a Denman brush and repeat the process all the way through. Gel and then smooth through with the Denman brush with each piece, and then just let it hang and do its thing. Don't manipulate it too much, just smooth it out. Don't rake through it another time, and just let it pop. Let those curls just pop. Let it do its thing. So this is how you achieve the wash and go look with 4C textured hair. This process doesn't take very long at all. It's much quicker than a twist out or a braid out. So I would recommend it. And believe it or not, this puff lasted me well over a week. And it looked cute. I'll try to pull up some pictures to show you. This is me working on my last section, just smoothing it out and then letting it draw back on its own, and the ponytail is complete. You can already see the curl definition, and all of that white stuff will dry away. And look, the finished product. The curls look all juicy, got a little bit of waves popping on the side. Yes, girl. I was all happy. Look at me, y'all. I was smiling. You couldn't see my mouth, but you could see it in my eyes. And you know what else would make me happy? If you subscribe, comment, and like. Bye, friends.